Researchers created a humanoid robot that can not only mimic human activities but also learn from them just by shadowing their movements. Stanford University researchers created a robot named HumanPlus. The team claims that by seeing human behaviors, it can learn to play the piano, return a ping-pong ball, and perform other tasks. According to Zipeng Fu, a member of the Stanford team, the humanoid robot employs a single RGB camera and a whole-body strategy to mimic human mobility. According to the researchers, HumanPlus requires 40 hours of human movement data to learn and do a task step by step. Furthermore, it can shadow persons with its camera and subsequently replicate their activities in real time. The humanoid was made using Unitree's H1 robot as the foundation, with hands from Inspire Robots and wrists from another business. The ultimate specimen is 5 feet 9 inches tall. Another distinguishing feature of the robot is that its design is open source, which allows its functionality to be updated as needed in the future. However, it is not inexpensive to get a functional model like HumanPlus, and according to the preliminary estimates supplied by the team, they developed the robot at a price of around $107,945. Humanoid robots are all the rage these days, and Tesla's CEO Elon Musk recently announced that his business expects to have over 1,000 humanoid robots working in its facilities by next year. He also stated that Tesla's Optimus robots, which he is building, may be on sale next year, propelling the business to a $25 trillion valuation. Humanoid robots are being accepted at various levels and are being trained to perform many activities. Their relevance is anticipated to grow in the coming years, and the Stanford team's HumanPlus may also go the distance and make its imprint.